So here we are again with another struggle meal. What I have here is a two kinds of veggies. This is what we call kamote tops, and then this is what we call I don't know the English equivalent of this, but we call this tinangko. We'll have this blanched, and then we'll add some of our spices which we have here. So as you see, water is starting to boil. We now blanch our veggies. That's it. Give it more or less less than a minute. Just let it blanch, and then this is ready for serving. So here's our struggle food. We'll add our finely chopped ginger, and then our onion as well. What I have instead is fermented vinegar. I'll be using fermented vinegar here. Some use calamansi just to have that acidity, but I'm using vinegar. Add a little MSG. Then we add patis to have that umami flavor. It's basically fish sauce. So we mix this now. You can add fried garlic and a little ground pepper. I do have chili oil here. We'll have chili oil instead added into it. So instead of using sesame oil, we now use chili oil instead, which has a much bolder flavor. Okay, we mix this up. And that's it. That's our struggle meal. Less than $1 to make. And you just pair it with rice and we're done.